Hi, so I've had some questions about Adobe Spark, so I'm going to run through the questions that I've got. So basically, if you have a look, this is when you open up Adobe Spark Pages. It'll tell you where your recent projects are, which would be your journal that you've been working on. If I click on the project that I've got going here, I'm just going to open that up now. It obviously takes a couple of seconds to load. Once it comes up, this is my title page. And then I've got other symbols in here if I want to add a photo, add some text, add a button, which we're going to talk about a little bit more in a minute. A video we can't add in this particular thing because we don't have access to YouTube. You can add a photo group, which is a great way for presentation, and you can add a slideshow, and you can also do split layout, which I've talked to some of you about. It's very effective in having an image and some text side by side so that it's just a nice way to show your work. Okay, so I've got an image in here. I can add a caption if I want. Obviously, just click on that box. I can then start typing sphere at garden, and now it lets me know what that image is. So I'm sure you can explore some of those functions to put your Spark together. The more important things are, okay, so I've come here and I've already inserted a cooking video button. When I come to edit, I can see that that's the link where I've put it. So I've recorded this on my iPad. I've then put this particular video from my iPad and iMovie, I've saved it into my Google Drive, and then I've come and found the link from my Google Drive and copied it into here. So that then becomes the button. If I want to see how that works, I can come up here to present. In the present mode, it'll load. I can now see what the audience is going to see of my page. I can click on the cooking video. It's then going to take me to that particular page where I've saved that onto my drive. Okay, so hopefully that helps with how to use a button. When you click as an option, you've got button here. That's what it's going to look like. So you'll give your button a name, and then you'll copy in where the link is that you want to show your work from, or a website page, or a video, or whatever it is that you're trying to add. The most important thing, so I've finished making all my edits. I've got everything where I want it to be. I've added all of my content. I'm happy with how it looks. I'm now ready to hand it up for assessment. So it's really important that when I come to share and publish and share the link, that I make sure that it tells me here that they've noticed that I've made some changes to the project, update the link. So I need to make sure I click that to actually update all the work that I currently have. Otherwise, the old link will only show me what you've done up until that time. So now I've got that link, I can either go straight to Classroom, but first of all I would copy it. It's copied. I can open Classroom and insert that link, or I can go straight to Classroom and open that in the classes, find the actual class that I want. So obviously a STEM class, I'd find the student that I want, and then I can upload my assignment that way and paste the work in, the link in from there. So it needs to be pasted in as a link, so that when you click on there and it gives you an option of file, link, click on link, paste the link in there, and then we will be able to see your Spark page. But it's really, really super important that you make sure you've got the latest updated link with all of your work showing, so we've got the latest link so we can see all 5 responses to your journal ready for marking.